Champions, today I am going to share some steps how to stay relevant and how to survive in 2025 and beyond. It's 2025. I wanted to tell you something nobody else saying loud enough. The old career playbook, it's dead already. The degrees, the promotions, the safe jobs, they are no longer safe. They are distractions. Because here is the truth, we are not in the job market anymore. We are in a clarity market right now. If you are following still outdated formulas, you are already behind. It's a wake up call. The shift has already begun. Let me share some data. With this data, we'll come to know what are the shifts happened in the job market in the past years. 75% of companies you see today, they won't survive in the next 5 years. 2 billion jobs vanish by 2030, and they all jobs replaced by automation and AI. 85% of the jobs our children will do, they don't even exist yet. That's not the future, that is now. So the question is not will the world change? And the real question is will you change? Why system is failing you? Let's call what it is. Entire industries are collapsing. The traditional education system is outdated. Retail is digitized. Print media, coal, series, cable TV, they are fossils. Even your job description might already be on life support. Why this shift is happening? Because we were trying to comply, not to create, to memorize, not to adapt, to chase title, not truth. The world no longer rewards conformity, it rewards clarity. The rise, the new economy already here. But don't panic because there is a parallel story. A silent revolution is happening. While one world is collapsing, another one is rising. These industries are booming. Virtual and augmented reality, green energy, e-commerce and EV tech industries, content creation industry, cyber security, fintech, and of course, as digital coaching and consulting. These industries are already in rise in the economy. These are not pets, these are building blocks for the new economy. You know what's common across all them? Creativity over certificates, problem solvers over position holders, people who can build, influence, teach, and lead online. Let me share The reinvention path that you can stay relevant in the current market. So, how you reinvent your career without quitting your job today? Here is my four part career reinvention blueprint. Simple, practical, and powerful. Number one, focus. Dig your well before you are thirsty. Don't chase shiny object. Pick one future ready area. Go deep, learn the game. Want to be a digital coach? Commit. Want to build a brand? Start. Stop being generalist. Specialist get paid. Depth create demand. Number two, voice. Build your influence before you need it. The world no longer trusts logos, it trusts faces. Your personal brand is your career insurance. Share your story, speak your truth. Influence is equal to visibility plus vulnerability plus value. You don't need 10K followers, you need 10 real fans who believe in you. Step number three, skill. Master digital or disappear. Learn how to communicate, sell, and deliver digitally. Tools like Zoom, Canva, ConvertKit, Notion, these are your new weapons. If you cannot attract, nurture, and convert online, you will be completely invisible in the economy. Number four, income. Build multiple streams or stay stuck. Depending on single paycheck in 2025 is like driving with one tire. Build digital assets, create content, sell courses, offer coaching, build streams that work even when you are sleeping. That's how freedom begins. Let me be clear, this is not doomsday message. This is a wake up call for the driven but distracted. You are not too late. You are not too old to start. But if you don't evolve, you will be left behind. Stop asking, what job should I get next? Instead of ask, what problem I am born to solve? Who needs my experience, my cars, my voice? That's your purpose. That's your niche. That's your power. We are living in a rare window of opportunity. You can learn new skills faster than ever. You can build a brand from your phone. You can monetize your mind. That's world doesn't need more job seekers. They need solution givers. And that could be you. If you decide to reinvent, not repeat. If this message stirred something inside you, drop I'm committed in the below comments. Share it with one friend who feels stuck in a safe job. Hi, I am Naveen KN, your career clarity strategist and digital coach. I help all working professionals like you to identify their true purpose and work on their purpose and build successful digital coaching business. Click the link below to register my free 90 minutes masterclass where I will teach you three secrets: how to build your digital product, how to identify your niche, and how to build your autopilot sales.